Remove the feeding hopper. Remove the photoelectric sensors. Remove the supporting rods. Disassemble the storage hoppers and weighing hoppers. Remove the linear feeder pans. Remove the main vibrator plate. Remove the inclined chutes. Remove the lower discharge chute. Then, remove the discharge chute's support. Unplug the cable connecting the touchscreen to the main machine. This is the main machine after disassembly. After disassembly, all removable parts can be washed directly. For non-waterproof main machine, avoid direct washing. Clean with compressed air or a damp cloth only. Also, keep water away from the motor, cable connectors, and control boxes. Make sure all parts are fully dry before reinstalling.